Hello, everybody. I'm Olivier Varin. I support Froilabo as product manager. Today, I will introduce you to our new generation on ovens and incubators. But I will start by review the product portfolio of Froilabo. Froilabo can cover the laboratory workflow with different solutions. Centrifuge to prepare your sample, refrigerators, ULT freezers to store samples, incubators to control your sample when you are doing microorganism cell culture, for example. And we can also cover test and sample validation with temperature forcing system and ovens. Today, we will mainly focus on new generation of ovens and incubators. With Air Scientific for ovens, with Bioscientifics for incubators, and with Biorefrigerated Scientific for cooled incubators. With these new equipments, we cover different applications such as microbiology studies, such as cell culture for microorganisms, plant research, quality control, including sample testing, thermal stability, for example, for industrial labs. We kept what users value most: the proven performance, the robustness, the efficiency of the system. We also kept the accuracy, the temperature accuracy, and we also listen to our users to develop a new updated software. This is why we designed the new equipments with a large 7-inch touchscreen and an intuitive software easy to use. This software is compatible with remote access. Remote access is really useful when you need to check the units in remote access. You can connect the unit to a computer with a secure connection, and you can have a mirror link of the software on your computer. It's the best approach to deliver a good technical support for the customers for certain application and to have the most efficient after-sale service. As I explained before, we kept high temperature accuracy and good uniformity. What does it mean, easy to use software? In our new smart interface, you have a flexible operation modes. You can run the machine with manual mode. It's very simple. You can set the temperature, run the equipments, and as soon as the equipment reach the expected temperature, you can start your experiment or your studies. You can also run the program mode when you need a temperature cycle. Here on the slide, you have a screenshot of a program with 3 different temperatures: 55 degrees, 80 degrees, and 120 degrees. You can see in real time all key informations with the temperature profile, the current temperature in blue, the set temperature in red. You can also know what step you are into the run. You can have an access on the temperature, on the time, remaining in each step. It's a real-time visibility. And we design a very simple 3-step process to set temperature cycling into a new program. The software offers a secure and structured access with user level, with admin level, and with service level. And we also design short videos to train yourself, called tutors, to become an expert user in less than 3 minutes. Also, you can have access to tutors for manual mode, to create a program, or to run an existing program, or different additional advanced functionalities. To see how things happen, I will run the tutors on the manual mode. How to run manual mode? You can select the set temperature value and you will set the temperature you want to run. In this case, I will select 75 degrees. Enter. And to start the manual mode, you will press Start Cycle. The unit now is working. You can look at for the set temperature. You have the current temperature in real time, and you can follow the temperature profile on the graph here. If you want to increase the size of the graph, you can select on the button to see what is the temperature profile. In this case, the set temperature will be 75 degrees. The current temperature is 66. It is increasing. And if you want to set the scale of the graph, you will press at the bottom to set the minimum value. I will set 40 degrees. And to select the top value here, to set 100 degrees for the maximum. You can see that the graph of the temperature profile is on real time. The temperature is increasing. We reach 71 degrees and we have set temperature at 75. Also, as you can see in this video, it's really easy to train yourself to learn about the software. You can find all tutors on the web page on Froilabo website. You can download it. You can view this video on our YouTube channel. And at the end, you can forward this information to your colleague if needed. Also, now if I summarized all benefits we saw together on the product, we kept the proven performance of existing equipments, and we added a new software. We have now the new unique selling points in hands. A smart interface with a unique design. We have a secure remote access to offer the best technical support for our customers. We have Indus for ovens. We kept the on-free locking system. And for cooled incubators, we have efficient cooling circuit with refrigerant gas to deliver the best performance. About Indus, keep in mind that Indus is a technical spec dedicated for ovens. Indus means that you have a hole into the main door, and it will improve the airflow from the backside to the front into the unit. We strongly recommend to have this design for sample with high humidity level. You will get a greater air renewal. And this is something really appreciated in industry. What application we can cover with ovens and incubators? I will start with incubators. for research lab, for pharmaceutical company such as Sanofi, such as Genzyme, bioMérieux. They are working with our incubators to make cell culture with microorganisms or to make tests regarding the growing studies with plant, with bacterial cell line, with different type of microorganism. In food industry, they are using ovens to assess temperature effect on end products, to make quality controls, thermal stability. And this is also something used in industry to evaluate the temperature impact on raw components. In industry, we are already working with international sales companies such as Caterpillar, Cemex, Eiffage. They are working with our incubators. Also, why you can choose Froilabo. Froilabo is a European company. We offer a very strong and efficient design. We have a modern, user-friendly, and smart interface. Today, we consider that Froilabo offers the best ratio, quality, performances, and price. We deliver reliable units with high-quality components. Also, we are the best alternative to the top player on the market. You can find all information on our website, on our YouTube channel. We provide product brochures. You can find technical specification on datasheet. We provide specific product introduction to support you on qualification of each project. We have application support. And as you discover in this webinar, we have product videos, tutorials. You can find all support to promote the Froilabo product portfolio offer. If you need, don't hesitate to contact myself or to contact your people into the sales force to get the best support on the product regarding specific quotes or specific application. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope that you will visit our website and contact us very shortly. Thank you very much.